In this video, we are going to talk about what to expect after using Dam Stop Leak Standard and how soon you will see results. The effects of Dam Stop Leak Standard are highly likely in clay and earth-based water bodies that have held water in the past, and less likely in ones that have not held water in the past. Depending on dam size, leak severity and water movements, results may be seen within 24 to 72 hours. Full effectiveness may take up to 21 days as the sealant settles and compacts into the leak pathways. Water reduction may continue until the product finds and fills the leak pathways and takes effect. Once the product compacts into the leak points, the water level should stabilize. If after 21 days it has slowed but hasn't fully plugged the leak, then another application may be required. However, if your water level continues to decrease and there is no change after treatment, you may find that your water body has major constructional flaws or requires a liner. Dam Stop Leak Standard is an effective solution for plugging in leaking dams. For more information on Dam Stop Leak Standard, you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au.